We'll guide you through how to use FaceTime on an iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. FaceTime is a great way of communicating with people. You can either use FaceTime audio or FaceTime, and that's going to be video call. So essentially, FaceTime is using the internet to go and make the call. To go and get started, we need to go and open up the FaceTime app like so. The first time you open it up, you'll need to go and tap on continue like so, as it will need to go and be activated. It won't take long at all to activate. So here we can go and create a link at the top or start a new FaceTime, and you can see any history here you've got as well. So if we go and tap on new FaceTime like so, we could go and choose a suggested contact here, or we can go and search for someone or tap on the plus to the right and go and find someone we want to FaceTime. Alternatively, you can go and tap on create link, and we can go and create a new link, and you can then share that with people. And what you can do is go and tap on the link and go and open it up. And we can go to the top right, go and tap on join, and we're now in the call. Now we're just seeing a black screen as we're the only people in here, but we can go and see the controls. So at the top, you can go and see speaker is on. You can turn on or off your camera. You can mute your microphone, and you can also go and share as well. And so that's it. When people start to join, either because you've rang them or because they've gone and clicked on the link you've shared with them, you can then go and start your conversation. And when you're finished, you can tap end in the top right. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then leave a like.